because we didn't get through all of it in the last video, we're just going to finish up the last couple constructions quick. So to construct a rotation of 60 degrees, remember back when we were in the previous video, 60 degrees are associated very strongly with constructions of equilateral triangles. So that being said, when you're constructing a rotation, you always start at point D, the center point of your rotation. Now, you can go to any of your 3 points. I'm going to start with A, and if you started at B or C, it's just okay as well. Notice I've got that equal distance of D to A. I'm going to make an arc that's counterclockwise. I only want to go to the left. It did not say clockwise, so there should be no markings in this direction at all. What I do from there is just the same way I would construct an equilateral triangle. I pick up my compass, I move so the clear piece is at A, and I would have that same intersection. Now, I don't have to draw a whole triangle here because my goal is just to put A prime somewhere. A prime is going to be where this intersection is. That's it moving 60 degrees along a arc. So that's going to be the point A prime. That's my A prime. Guess what? We do the same exact thing for our other 2 points. So remember, we always start at D, that center point of rotation. You can go to either B or C now. Either one works. We're going to go counterclockwise always. And we move over here to B. That intersection, keeping all the same lengths after we've stretched, that's our B prime. And we'll do this one final time for the one remaining point. Again, the order would not have mattered because we're going to get the same image as we go. But clear at D. We're going to stretch from D to C this time. Counterclockwise. Over at C this time without changing the length of our compass. We get that last intersection point that we need. That's our C prime. Notice we've gotten 3 new points for our new image. And because it's a triangle, we're just going to connect those endpoints. A to C, C to B, and A to B prime. I'm just going to fix that B, C marking for us, just so that they're straight and it looks like they're preserved. So notice that your triangle should look just like the original, the pre-image here, because rotations, again, are a type of rigid motion. They preserve that length and angle measure. Now, we're going to construct a 180-degree rotation this time. So that's significantly bigger than 60 degrees. So it's not going to relate back to the equilateral triangle. One method we did look at is that you could use the equilateral triangle construction 3 times. Instead, the easier way, in my opinion, is to still stretch out. Clear point is at P, the center of rotation. Now, since 180 is significantly bigger than 60, I'm going to make a big arc. When I'm thinking about my arc, I'm thinking I want to go more than halfway, because half of a full circle is 180. Now, another thing I know is 180 is that from C passing P here to the arc, because a straight line is also 180 degrees. That means that this point along the arc is C prime. It's going to be that image point. I'm going to repeat that same strategy, but this time from P to D. So we want our clear point at P I think I'm a little off here. And from where we're here, now that we have clear point at P to D, same idea. More than halfway. If you want to do a full circle, that is totally fine. Now, I've noticed I've done a different color. You might want to use a similar strategy. So that way when we connect D through P, we go to the blue, the second one, because we're done with that red arc. That was for C prime. The blue arc is made specifically for D prime. And now that we have the two new points, we can finish off strong by getting our segment of D prime all the way through C prime. What you should notice is that CD and the new image C prime D prime, they're parallel. Now we can notice our alternate interior angles that we've created, the Z shape. But once I know that fact, when I look at 10, do the same exact construction in number 9. Okay? Thanks so much for watching.